Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we are still looking at the same structure essentially. I mean, it's morphed a little bit, it's moved sideways a little bit, but overall the wave patterns are unchanged and the price has not really done much since yesterday. Overall, since the swing low that formed on Monday, we've only seen corrective price action to the upside, corrective price action, apologies, to the downside, or rather sideways. And I call this, at the moment, tentatively at least, a 1-2 setup in white. From an Elliott wave point of view, a 1-2 setup is typically a good long trade opportunity. However, I need to say that the structure from that low, from the Monday low to the swing high that formed also late Monday, that is very uncertain. It looks more like a three-wave move. So structurally, if we can trust it, which we probably can't, because after such a swift recovery, the structure is usually a little bit distorted on the micro level, and that is something that we can currently witness across the sector. And therefore, I would just be a bit careful. I'm watching for higher prices because a recovery is due, but also Ethereum, I showed that yesterday. We took a look at the ETH BTC chart, right? It's quite disappointing let's say disappointing performance, especially compared to Bitcoin in this cycle. So we have to be careful with Ethereum, but I don't want to entirely give up on it. I am watching if the market can generate an upside reversal from here. There are certain support parameters at least that we can watch. If you are interested in trading Ethereum, you can at least use those parameters to integrate them into your own trading plan. If it works for you, we've got $2,279 to $2,593. So from an Elliott wave perspective, this would be the support area that ideally would hold if the next pullback is a wave 2, or maybe the wave 2 is already unfolding. I would nearly say that if this is a bullish structure, then we have 3 waves up in wave 1. We have an A wave down. The B wave might actually still be unfolding, possibly topped already as a so-called WXY structure, which is a complex form of a correction. The exact microstructure isn't so relevant here. It is clearly corrective price action, which means it moves rather sideways. We have overlapping price action. And then I'm just waiting for a signal that maybe a C wave down happens. Might touch that support area here and then could go. Main takeaway is the price needs to hold above 2,279 to keep the overall upside expectations alive. Any sustained break below it will shift the focus towards the yellow scenario, in which the price needs one more low, or could at least form one more low. But see, the problem I have is this move up was quite strong. Not strong enough to clearly rule out the yellow scenario, but yellow hasn't really proven itself. The decline is corrective. So yeah, because we are so, let's say, we've reached such a key spot, I tend to give the bullish count the benefit of the doubt. I'm slightly lean bullish. But that's across the sector, especially after such a strong sell-off when a lot of people are panicking. There is a chance for a larger bounce. It's just structurally, there has been a bit of uncertainty since that Monday low. Yeah. What would happen if we break above the green line? So if we can take the price, or if the bulls rather can take the price above the Monday high in green here, 2,927, then I think we have to assume that the third wave is already unfolding. I mean, that would then be, okay, we just talked about white and yellow scenarios, but then if we take a look at the white scenario in itself, well, I can identify a completed ABC structure. I could call that an ABC in itself. So it is possible. Is wave 2 maybe already in? Maybe, but it's too shallow, that pullback, to be clearly a wave 2. It's too shallow. So I would keep an open mind about the microstructure. I think the support parameters are very, very clearly defined here. And as I said, I give the bullish scenario the benefit of the doubt. But without a clear dip, we don't have enough structure at this stage to come to a conclusion, really. So we need to see a bit more price data. But risk levels are clearly defined. So you've got everything you need. And the upside breakout point is 2,927. Then the next resistance level should be up here in this area around $3,440. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.